This is my last video that I'm going to do about America to the American people. I got to take a break, you know what I'm saying? I don't mind getting in the trenches and being down with America because I love this place. This is our home. But if I continue to stay in the trenches, I'm going to be there and not be able to take care of my business. And when I take care of my business to move me on to a higher level of existence, I need my spirituality. And you are my medicine because I like to give you what belongs to you. I give you your spiritual science and I try to keep it as simple as possible. But anyway, let me say this here. Hey, yo, peace, peace. This is your man, El.Judge. Coming right back at you with some of that real talk real fast, man. Yeah. Now, if you can, man, please hit like, hit repost, and leave a comment. Let's keep this party going. Now, with that being said, I asked the question, what happened to the militia? I thought the militia was supposed to be around to make sure that they protect the constitutions from enemies, both foreign and domestic. Isn't that what you was telling us? Or was you thinking of something more selfish when you were creating your militias? Were you thinking about a certain American people instead of thinking about the American people? I don't know. But let me say this here. If you are really for the people, remain silent. This is not the time for you to let the people remember or know that you still exist, because a lot of people have forgotten. But I'm going to say, if you still exist, and if you are really about the Constitution, sit back and wait for things to really pop off. Now, if you are not on the side of the American people, that means that you are an enemy. But we have no way of knowing. We have to figure this out in time. Now, the situation that's in rulership right now, in all honesty, and I'm going to say this right here, this is for entertainment purposes only. In all honesty, the situation that's at hand right now, under patriotic circumstances, it would be considered as a treasonous situation that we are in. Those M brothers have every right to organize others to their organization to make sure the situation treats our situation as an American people with respect. God forbid someone outside of us will see us in our weakness of division and decide to move in and create chaos. I'm just saying, we need to really analyze what we are doing. Now, there are people who are on a side of history who have malice in their hearts, and they're backing up destructive reasoning. They're supporting it. Just so, what? They can live, or that they can see someone else suffer, or they can be considered as the kings and queens of existence in this place that we call America. If you need to place someone else in a lower situation for you to look upon yourself as a king or a queen, that means that you are just a peasant. with evil in your heart. The American people are the greatest people in existence. I say that with a certain amount of pride. The whole world looks upon us and they want to emulate us to a certain degree. To let jealousy and envy be the guiding force at this moment, it really makes us look weak. But of course, the people outside of us, they're going to take the good parts of us. And God forbid that they take our bad parts too. Because the decisions that we make here on this land, it can affect the world. And whoever has the largest amount of financial support can become the dictator and ruler over our whole world and create rules and regulations that are not just a little bit unfair. They may be completely unfair. We need to think about what we're doing. But anyway, go back and watch my other videos, because this is a spiritual thing that we are dealing with. Sorry. I gave us the blueprint on how to use your spirituality to combat negative things that may enter your existence. But if you are creative enough and you have the imagination, you will know how to use what I gave you to bring about positive things in your existence. Try not to get stuck in the trenches. Step out of the trenches and smell the roses every now and then, because that's going to help you go on to higher levels. The trenches, it could become your grave. This is your man, El.Judge. Peace and blessings. 7 minutes. I'm out.